Okay. Hello. My name is Aubrey. I am a Linux enthusiast. I'd say I'm a hobbyist Linux server administrator. And the point of what I'm trying to do here today is I'm creating a series of videos of 3-minute Linux tutorials. So I have the first five planned out here. We're going to go over what is Linux, creating a user, package managers, diagnosis or troubleshooting, and new needs slash projects. So this this series is meant for an extremely introductory person, someone who's never used Linux, someone who has some idea of whatever computing and operating systems, but has used Windows or Mac previously. So what I've got here is questions I'm going to ask myself and answer. So what is Linux? Linux is a kernel. A kernel is something that communicates through, it communicates the software side of your computer to the hardware side. So your it lets your system talk to the pieces within it. Why would you want to use Linux? One, it's free. Two, you have much more control over the system. It's more you own the system than the system owns you. Another reason would be it's lightweight. If you're running on slow hardware, this would be your best bet to utilize all the resources you have. And it's very customizable. I might throw a screenshot up of what my laptop looks like, but I love it. Um, so a big thing of Linux is the terminal, or it's been abbreviated to CLI sometimes, command line interface, I think. But it's pretty much just exactly telling the computer what to do through just text instead of a graphical user interface. And do I have to use that terminal? No, you do not. So anything that you could do through a terminal, you could mostly do through a graphical user interface. But once you start getting into Linux, you will understand that the terminal is so much quicker and it is not as hard as it seems at the start. So, this will be the first episode. We're 2 minutes and 40 seconds in. I don't have any like degrees on this. It's just been a hobby for me my whole life. And I started by making like video game servers. And now it's like my preferred operating system. I'm not using it here because I like video games and Linux doesn't allow some games with kernel level anti cheats.